Welcome to the sun-drenched, ultra-spacious front unit turnkey townhome with picturesque curb appeal, located in the super desirable neighborhood of North Redondo Beach. Come take a look inside. Huge dual living rooms with a cozy fireplace and an extra wide staircase create a striking view upon entry that ushers you throughout a flowing floor plan. The gigantic gourmet kitchen with eat-in breakfast bar features abundant cabinetry, seemingly endless granite countertops, shiny stainless steel appliances, and stylish tray ceiling complete with recessed lighting. This is a great opportunity for you to live near the beach with awesome, incredible local restaurants and shops and a fantastic school district. I'm Christina Blue with the Real Estate Group. I'm here for all your real estate needs.